Today I have a dozen of submissions of the worst keyboards my viewers own. Exactly 1 week ago, I dropped a story on Instagram asking for local Singapore viewers to drop a hello. Afterwards, I told them to send in their submissions for the worst keyboards that they own. At the end of the video, I will be shortlisting most of the keyboards, putting them into a straw poll, letting you guys vote who should get a new keyboard by Idolbow. But before we react to the keyboards, this video is sponsored by the one and only PCBWay. Hi, you realize I cut my hair? I'm here to tell you about today's sponsor, PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop shop for printing PCBs, fabrication of CNC, aluminum, or 3D printing. It is extremely user-friendly. All you have to do is upload your 3D models or your PCB designs and you're about 99% done. If you want more customization options for your PCB, go with their advanced PCB. They have different color options for their silk screens and solder mask. And they also do provide test reports for the PCB for free. Currently, they are having a discount up to 20% off for their 4 layers or 6 layers PCB. So if you ever want to print your own PCB, go to PCBWay. Link is in the description down below, and let's get back to reacting to more keyboard. Alright, so let's take a look at our first submission by Jerome Tan. Here's a TM680 loop Gateron Yellows, steps stock, looped and clipped, mods foam modded and tape modded. Keycaps were Retro 9009 from Shopee. Shopee is basically Amazon for Singapore, kind of the same thing. It doesn't look too bad. I'm not a fan of retro, but let's just listen. Maybe it sounds really bad. Actually sounds not bad. Oh my, that spacebar is bad. But overall, it actually doesn't sound too bad. I don't think this will be the worst one that I'm gonna pick, so we're gonna move on. So we're gonna move on to Eugene Ng. He submitted a Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition, Razer red linear optical switches with a Taobao cord cable. Okay, that's pretty bad. That is pretty bad, but it is a Razer board, so expected from a Razer board. This might be one of the competitors for one of the worst keyboards, but technically it's like stock. It's not really like bad or anything. We're gonna move on to Joel. He has a Red Storm 68 with Echo Lavender Purples plus 1 box blue. Stabilizers are OEM stabilizers, looped, and some random keycaps, tape and foam modded. This is what it looks like. It's so these are not bad. Where's the clicky? Oh! It's not that bad actually for a clicky. Okay. So I think this one beats the Razer Huntsman. It's just a really meme board and it's a custom keyboard kind of thing. So I would give this the winner so far. Moving on, we have Chi Lin. He has a Razer Black Widow Ultimate Chroma full-size board, Razer greens, Razer original keycap. RGB kind of sick though. Your standard Razer board, it's just a pretty old board. LEDs are malfunction. Double clicking on the D. This is the worst mechanical keyboard that he has. Very interesting, very interesting. I still think... Oh shit, no, I have no idea anymore. The next one is by Keon Poon, the only keyboard I have until I find the new one. It looks like a RK61, but it's missing like a lot of keycaps. There's a random black Windows key, a brown switch, but the rest are Gateron Milky Yellow. You can't even use this. How do you even use that? You're trolling. The next one we have is a PicTech Gaming mechanical keyboard, broke down a few months ago. It has cherry blues loop with custom random stuff I have in my house. I also put loop in my stab. No, Jesus Christ. It sounds pretty good actually. What the heck? These are cherry blues? There's no click. The sound on the board is actually quite nice. Yeah, it's like the click is missing. I think he just looped it to the point where there is no more click. For our next one, we have another Razer Black Widow Tournament Edition from 2014. This is by Christopher Bong. Oh my god. Oh, I can't do that. I just can't. The E key also registers extra key presses. Okay. We're just gonna move on. This guy. It is a foam modded RK61 with brown switches, not hot swappable, with Coral C keycaps. It is Coral C keycaps. That's not too bad. I could use that. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's alright, it's alright. This is definitely not the worst one that we can upgrade. Hi, I'm 3M on Discord. He probably sent it to me on Discord. Here's the sound test. Keychron keycaps, I recognize those. It sounds not bad. It sounds pretty decent, in my opinion. It's not bad. Oh my god, I hate that keycap so much. This is by Kimberly. It is a GK61 optical blue switches, Taihao double shot PBT cat paw novelty keycap. I hate that novelty so much. In my opinion, I think this is one of the worst ones so far. Like, the optical blues are like really bad. Compared to the Razer greens on the Razer board, they don't accentuate that clicky sound that much. Like, this one is like hard plastic and like clicky switches just go click. This might be one of the worst. Also because of the cat paw novelty. So we're gonna move on to Kai. It is the first board when he didn't know anything about a hobby. It is an RK61 with Echo Lavender's loop with Krytox 05 Grade 0. Keycaps is... oh Jesus. Keycaps is called Meow Meow, XDA profile. What the hell? The ISO is like... what the heck? His enter key is like weird. Okay, let's take a listen. Oh! Okay, but everything else seems fine. I think that might be a mic quality thing, like why it sounds so like sassy vibes. This one is by Zixin. It is Dairyu EK871 Otemu Tiffany Blue RK61 Black keycaps, G-Skill Crown keycaps modded. Why? I think he won this. Oh my god. Oh! What did I just watch?
A couple weeks ago,
hi, switch and click. Okay, so... okay. Yeah, some of them sent it to me on Discord. This is by Just Javier. It is, looks like Echo... wait, what? What the heck is this? Echo Taihao tall keycap. Never seen that before. P41. That's not scuffed. That doesn't sound that bad. I think it's actually pretty good. So I guess this is all the keyboards that you guys have that are really bad. But some of them are actually like pretty decent in my opinion. Like, I have seen worse. I will be shortlisting some of you guys and putting them into a straw poll. Go down to the link in the description down below to vote for your worst keyboard. I want everyone to vote. We'll pick one and that one person will get to build a Idolbow Crystal Edition with me. Their new Crystal Edition. It's really sick. Even I don't have one. So you guys are getting it first. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to vote. Make sure you vote and subscribe for future giveaways. I'm doing one more after this. So look out for that.